I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox. First, understand that Roblox is a fantastic online platform where millions of users create and play games. You can easily access it using a web browser or a specific application. A reliable internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience. To get started, you will need to create a free account, which is a quick and simple process. Once your account is set up, you are ready to dive into the world of Roblox. To play Roblox directly through your web browser, simply open your favorite browser, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Then, type in the official Roblox website address and press Enter. Once on the site, you can either log in using your existing credentials or quickly create a new account if you haven't already. After logging in, you will find a vast library of games. Just click on any game that catches your eye to begin playing. When you select a game to play for the first time, the Roblox Player application will automatically begin to download. It is a small, essential program that optimizes your gaming experience. Just follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process, which usually takes only a minute or two. This player ensures better game performance and graphics. Before starting, make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements for the best possible gameplay. Once the Roblox player is installed, your chosen game will launch automatically, bringing you right into the action. You are now ready to explore millions of unique, user-generated experiences and diverse virtual worlds. Feel free to interact with other players in a safe and moderated environment, fostering a sense of community. Don't forget to personalize your avatar with countless items available, making your character truly unique as you embark on your exciting Roblox adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.